excited when you get
Okay, go.
Okay.
Alright, 0607. Bowman Sterling basketball. And it's Marcus Vinicius.
Okay, turn it where you can see it on the thing. You have to turn it flat. Turn it around.
Auto.
Is it numbered?
Wow.
No numbered. It is gold. It's a refractor.
Okay, who's up? What is it?
Ben Walsh jersey. Pistons.
Who is that?
I don't know. It's not numbered either.
And who is that Williams guy?
Shane Williams.
Okay,
Or
cool.
Shane Williams. I'm pretty sure. Let's see here. Hopefully there'll be a Duncan or something in one of these.
Drum roll, please.
Okay. Here you go.
Mom gets a sneak peek because